I love all kinds of tea. I love coffee, but I really, really love specialty tea. And that's why I actually picked up this. So this is from HIYAKOI. It is an electric gooseneck kettle. And I am going to show you how it works. I have a gorgeous German white tea. It's a blooming white tea in here. So I can't wait to go and show you how this works and get some tea going. So let me bring you in and let's get this thing going. Come on. All right, so this is what we're looking at, the HIYAKOI gooseneck bottle. So this knob is also a button, and I just pressed it in. And then here we have a couple of different buttons that are coming up. This one is going to be our function button, and this one is the timer. So if we hit our function button, this is coffee. That one is boiling water. That one is just a temperature, and almost like a keep warm. So if you hit it again, it's going to put it into like a standby. Now, boiling right here is automatically going to set this to 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 Celsius. If you're looking to try to change your temperature, you're going to want to put it on coffee. Now, the hottest that the coffee will go is up to 203. Ooh, there we go. 203 is as high as it's going to go in coffee mode. And the minimum is 104. So you can see I can go very quickly and make it go very fast, or I can go one by one. So for this white tea that I'm doing, it's actually supposed to be 212 degrees. So just regular boiling water. So I'm going to go ahead and set that. Okay, so right now I have it set to boiling, and as you can see, this is moving. It's going to let us know. It's going to let us know that it is currently warming, and we're going to see this go higher and higher and higher. Now, once this reaches that boiling temp, it's actually going to go back into a standby mode. And if you use the boiling, it's not going to go into a keep warm mode. But if you did put it into coffee mode, then it will actually put it into a standby or a keep warm mode. Now this right here will hold up to 0.8 liters. And I got this because, again, I really love blooming tea. I love matcha. And really you need to make sure that you can precisely change your temperature, and you need to make sure that you have a precise pour on both. And so that's really what you're getting with the electric kettle. This is not really going to be the kind of thing that you're going to want to use if you're looking for something to boil instantly. That's not necessarily this. Now, I didn't mention the timer function specifically, but it will count up in 1 minute increments, and you can set the timer basically. Now, one of the great things about this is that there is, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's starting to definitely get warm. There is a boil dry protection on this, so that way it's going to automatically stop heating if it notices that there's no water in here. So I think that's pretty great. So we're at 148 degrees right now. This is a pretty nice seal. This is actually where you have some vents coming out. I'm just getting my cup. So this is an induction base. So I like this kind of a thing. Again, if you're a tea snob like me, or if you're like a coffee connoisseur, this is definitely for you. If you are traveling, this is great for a camper or an RV. That way you know that you can always have boiling water very quickly. So this is from HIYAKOI, the Gooseneck electric kettle. The model specifically is KFJ D10Z1. I got it in black because, well, I like a lot of my stuff in black, just because it matches the rest of my kitchen. So it looks like we're almost there, which is excellent. All right, 1, 2, and that's that. So this is not going, there it is. So it's going to emit a little bit of a beep to let you know that it is in fact done. I'm just gonna go ahead and slide him over a little bit because we're going to pour the water in here. And like I said, this is a blooming tea. As you can see, it has a bloom, and it does have like a tie around it. But the important thing when you have something like this is the pour, because you want to make sure that you pour directly on the bloom. And that is what we're going to do. So if you're looking for precision in temperature and in pour, I think that this is definitely the electric gooseneck kettle for you. If you're interested in any of these electric kettles, I'm going to go ahead and put links to them down in the description so that you can also pick them up.